In Revit 2022, you can control the display of properties when multiple elements having different parameter values for those properties are selected, scheduled, and tagged. When you select multiple elements, any properties that they share are reported. In past releases, if parameter values for the properties shared by the selected elements were the same, that value was reported. However, if the values differed, no value was shown. Now, when multiple elements are selected and those parameter values differ, they report either as varies or as a user-defined custom text string. This behavior is consistent in the properties palette, schedules, and tags. This feature reduces confusion and improves productivity by enabling you to quickly identify varying parameter values for selected element properties.